What's going on, guys? One of my tenants just moved out. Left this thing a mess. As you can see, walls dirty, windows broken. Everything's just dirty. As you can see, I'm actually going to turn this into a 2-bedroom, guys. So this is the before video. There's no lights on in here. Guess I'm gonna have to call Pepco. Got trash everywhere. As you guys can see. Like I said, going to turn this into a 2-bedroom. Trash everywhere. This is what happens when you get the wrong tenant. They trifling. They're trifling. Furnace. This is what happens, guys. But this is before. Take us about a month, 2 months to get this done. I'm gonna move faster this time. Left all this stuff here, just pretty much just trashed the place pretty much. Broken glass. This is before, guys, so renovating this unit, guys. When I renovate this unit, I'm gonna get around 1,700, guys, for a 2-bedroom in this area. So bathroom. So yeah. Man, let's see. So yeah, guys, give you guys a quick look. This is the before. It's actually going to be a pretty good project. Like I said, we're going to turn this into a 2-bedroom. This wall right here is going to be knocked down right here, guys. It's going to be knocked down. And we're going to put the kitchen on this wall right here. I'm going to put the kitchen on this wall.